Well, hello designers. Today we will make this design. So sit tight and let's go. So now we bring our circle, ellipse, name it as you like. We make selection in the center and we drag, holding shift and control. And we put 250 as a previous example. We put it in the middle by holding on P. So we select the circle and make the store to make it wavy shape, and put the numbers you are comfortable with till you have the shape you like. There is no specific number for the shape, so I put 10 and 9 and it's fit for me. After we select it and make contour, I try to have the space I'm comfortable with, because after we want to bold them, we put thick for them. So if it was the space very narrow, I can't put the thick I want. So make it bigger. Now we break apart, Control K, and we take someone in the middle. Now it's grouped. We need to break it and group it. And we take last circle on the side and we shrink it to the middle. After we select all, and this is the step I was speaking about, to choose the thickness we need. See, this is over. I think I need to put it less, maybe in the middle will be thick, more thick. Okay, and what I need to draw another circle to put the text I want to write, like previous lesson we make. I want to put them up and low. You bring your text, you hover over on the circle till you see the shape, and you write the text you like. Here I put an example. I think I will change my mind about. Yes. It's better if I put coffee. And put outdoor. Okay, and now I select again the text to make another text to the bottom. I start using this method actually. Before that I was like split it. Like I put the text on the path and after I break the part and after I put it again. But now I say it's better if I put it, it's work, because sometimes it make it glitchy. I can understand the text. Now I take the style I like for both of them, of course. And of course the size I need. I need to zoom a little bit because I can't see. It's over. I think this is fit. Same. The second one. For that I rotate it, flip it, vertical and horizontal to fit for the view, of course. So again, same process, select and choose the text I need, I mean the size I need. And it's a little bit drift from the path. And I will make some spaces to make it more attractive. And I drag it back to the path and of course to the red line. Same as up. I think this is more space between them. Coffee outdoor. I will try to see. No, I think not. Yes, it's like that. The style is like that. After I need to break apart the circle because I don't need it. I need to delete it. This is the struggling to select, but eventually I will select the object panel to break it apart from it. This is easy way actually. After we need design the cup, we put it inside. This is a little bit long process, but it deserves to take your time for it. Especially if you are a beginner in CorelDraw, these small details you can focus on and make you a very good designer and make your logo actually more attractive, of course. And this is like training for you. If you have a time or you would like to make everything by your hands, or you can bring it from like just write cup of coffee, cup plastic coffee. You find hundreds or thousands examples in vector. Or if you are more advanced in designing and you have Photoshop and Illustrator, not just CorelDraw you work on, you could make trace and make some adjustment in Photoshop, make trace in CorelDraw or in Illustrator. Illustrator more advanced in tracing. Actually, also I would like to make tutorials about tutorials and designing about Illustrator. So we back to our example. As you see, we make lines, not connected lines. It's individual between of them. You will see why I make them like this. Because you don't need to draw like the whole cup. You just need to draw half of it and mirror it to other side. This is the best way. Same. Draw single line. And after we will trim all the remains. We make a little bit of adjustment. I think this is big. Yes, this is what we need. Became a little bit fat from the sides. It's not became an actual glass. Actually, I will make another adjustment after a few minutes, because also this measurement didn't fit what I need. If you notice, we have hard edges. We will make some nice twist. That's why I make a single line. You will see what I will do with these. Actually, I will speed up the process here because anyway I will make a mistake and back to the original method I want to do. So here we make the space again, and instead of corners fillet, I will back to the connect, join edges, and make it fillet. Here the methods work. It unfortunately didn't work before with the corners. It should work actually. This is the actual method. Should work, not this one. But anyway, I need to finish the project, so that's why I let go now. Because when you work on CorelDraw, you will notice a lot of glitchy things. I don't know why. So anyway, it's give a nice roundy shape, not hard shape, as you notice. And also here. So we have the line. I cut it actually when I trimmed accidentally. I will extend the actual line for the actual cup to the end, and trim the remains. So we have our cup now, but this is a little bit big. Let's trim this one. I don't need. And yes, this is what I am talking about. I didn't like this one. And I need to shrink it a little bit. And trim it, of course, again. And mirror it to the other side to give us good results. So now I need to connect each other. It doesn't work with the group, it doesn't work with the join. If you try it, I mean with the group it doesn't work, with the blend it doesn't work. It's work with only with this way, line by line you connect them together, because after if you want colorize any one of them you will have some problems. So you need to connect them one by one. So everything is good, everything is okay. And I will colorize the top and bottom. and draw a small circle to put our coffee sample in the middle. We put it in the middle. You make some adjustment to take the shape of the cup. Actually, also you can like draw one side and mirror it to other side, but this is like easy and fast way. You don't need to trim anything. So now we make a shape of our coffee. I don't know what they call it. This is like one piece of coffee. And choose the brush, this style. Both ends are slim. So you try several times till you get your satisfaction. This, the line in the middle. As you notice, this is not like perfect because there is hard edges. And you can make some adjustment by stroke. Because there is actual stroke, if you notice, when I move it in the middle. And you make your adjustment to have the beautiful shape in the middle. So after we break it apart, as usual, struggling, and because we don't need it. Actually, I don't need to break it apart. I don't know why I do it when I record my video, because after all, I don't need to break it apart. You will see in a moment. See, this is invisible one, because after I use this method, I make it like a hairline thing, and after I put the color spots from both sides and I take them out. So this process, no need at all. You don't need to do it. You don't need to break it apart. Actually, you just make this and the color spot, and that's it. We put it in the middle, and we give it a little bit of twist to make it nice. Actually, this is, I use it after, like, for the sides of the logo, for the shape. So later I will twist it. Now I draw lines on the cup. It will give a nice shape line, and I do again the vertical line, sorry, in the middle of cup to mirror it to other side. I don't need it anymore. And I make a blend between these two lines. And you choose the number you like. I like this amount of number of lines, and this is pretty good. We will make these in front of lines, and after that I color them to hide these lines. Yes, like that. And after I make like this is the shadow effect from the left side, the right side in the cup, like on the screen, the left in your when you see like the left side. And also the upper part. I will speed up this process. As you notice, we complete the process and we put it in the middle. After, I will put this a small thing of coffee, make it bigger, and also copy it to the other side. And of course we make them same color. Now I want to draw another something nice, star for example, to put them in the end and beginning of text to give the logo more interesting look. Of course we copy to upper text also, and after we give it the color we need. So now we change this color also to make it nice, and we put it the same background. I think I will change it. This make it white, and the background make it the same coffee color, brown. Yes, this is better. So now we finished our logo, as you see. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, don't forget like, subscribe, and have a good day.